Hi, in my childhood I spent a lot of time in our family farm, and beyond my current research in microelectronics, I can say I am a specialist in fresh food. My name is Abderrahmane Ghimouz, and today I'm going to present you a solution that will revolutionize the field of agriculture. Why? Because it's the right time to act. The Consultative Group for International Agricultural Research states that the agricultural production must increase by 60% to meet the global demand by 2050. Yet, people today lack the simplest understanding of agriculture. For example, 80% of French citizens are urban inhabitants. In order to bring people closer to that, I imagined Paradise, a web platform based on a sustainable concept for a new local market ecosystem, making customers farmers. Yes, because the best way to learn is to do. Using the service, farmers can share a part of their workflow with customers who desire to, so they can learn about agriculture, having promotional prices. I'm seeking an investment of 400,000 euros in exchange of 15% stake in equity and 5x return per year, targeting only 10% of grown-up inhabitants, using a membership strategy with €5 of benefits per user by month. Targeting the French market, which represents 16.9% of the European market, I imagine more than 30x return per year. So today I'm looking for investors and developers to join me in this adventure so we can bring people closer to nature. Thank you.